You need two mics, and you want nice lapel mics. You want the receiver that's easy to work with, but you don't want to break the bank either. And these seem like a perfect answer for that. So what we're going to do in this video today, we're going to unbox these, take a look at them, then we're going to set it up, and I'm going to have the audio on this video actually switch back and forth between these and the Gorilla in the market right here, that one, the kind of industry standard, but obviously you could buy 3 or 4 of these for what that one costs. So these are supposed to work really well. So let's see if the young upstart with a great reputation actually lives up to that reputation. All right, let's open it up, take a look, see what's in here. So one of the cool things that you would want to know about this case is actually also the charger case. It has a battery in there, and when you don't have to be plugged in all the time. You charge it up, and then you can put the microphones back in there, and they will recharge. It's my understanding they will recharge like 4 times, and each time they last for 6 to 7 hours. So that's kind of should be pretty much any vlogging trip that you take anywhere. Let's take a look at them so you can see what they look like. Hopefully they come a little charged up so we could test them right here and now. So, okay, so here is the lapel microphone itself, which does include noise canceling technology, which is really cool. And this is the USB-C antenna, which connects right into your cell phone. So let's do it. Let's connect it to the cell phone. Let's see how it works. I haven't read the instructions yet, so let's just try winging this. Let's plug it in. Okay, got a solid green light. Let's put it on here right next to my other lapel. I'll actually hook it right on my other lapel mic. Okay, so both of these mics are recording, and I will go back and forth between the two and indicate it on the screen so you know what they sound like. So let's try this again. Hey, I am Doug from Doug and Nikki. We are YouTubers. We travel all over the world doing exotic travels. We have an RV, and now we are obviously here on Amazon and loving that. Hey, I am Doug from Doug and Nikki. We are YouTubers. We travel all over the world doing exotic travels. We have an RV, and now we are obviously here on Amazon and loving that. Okay, so now we've compared the two. I have to say, for ease of use, much easier to use. It is fabulous audio quality, so simple like that. My only question is, right now I'm shooting this on a GoPro, which requires a little bit of a different hookup just because GoPros are a pain in the neck. I'm not sure the USB-C will work directly on that, but on the cell phone, instantly, automatically, worked perfectly, super cool, which is I think what most people are looking for with this. The only one downside that this has compared to this one is this one has an internal memory, so even if I like forget to hook it up or it doesn't hook up right to wherever I'm connecting it to, it still records it for 8 hours. But that is, you know, you're paying a lot of money for that privilege. I think this is phenomenal. I'm gonna have to give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score and say this thing is freaking awesome. I hope that's helpful. I hope you've done one of these in exchange for all this wonderful information I've tried to share with you, and we will see you next time on the Doug and Nikki channel.